All right, everybody, we've got a 2010 Bowman box. Bowman hobby box from my pal Hoos. We purchased this box at Blowout Cards at www.blowoutcards.com. So here we go. Good luck, buddy. Let's get you something good here. All right, looking for Strasburg Chrome, Harper Chrome, and a good auto. All right. Felix Dubront, Chase Darno, paper. Patrick Schuster. Ryan Dent refractor to 777. Another Patrick Schuster. It's a Patrick Schuster hot box. John Eli. Robbie Ray USA and Josh Donaldson. Billy Butler. Grant Green. Alexis Oliveras. Wow, I butchered that. Whole lot of not much in that box. That pack right there. There we go. A blue Nick Sizik, Jaime Garcia, Nolan Arenado, Justin Verlander, Aroldis Chapman, you've got Rolando Gomez to 777, refractor. Casey Crosby. Got you a nice Steven Strasburg Chrome. Mr. No Limits this year. Finally get to see what he can do for a full year. Tony Walters, USA. Anthony Gose. Dustin Ackley. Jason Hayward, gold. Bryce Brents. I got excited when I saw the Bryce, but Bryce Brents, USA. Still a good card. Anthony Rizzo and Jaff Decker. Prince Fielder. Matt Adams. Julio Teheran. It's a nice card. And your auto refractor. It's a Rex Brothers hot pack. You got his base card and his refractor auto. Well, his chrome and his refractor auto. Rex Brothers for the Rockies. 63 out of 500. First round draft pick for the Rockies. Julio Teheran chrome. Nice card. Kobe Clemens. Yasmani Grandal, USA. Corey Hahn. Nick Franklin. Lars Anderson. Jae-Hoon Ha and Grant Green. And last pack. Bo Greenwell. All right, but recap. You got Julio Teheran, Rex Brothers refractor auto. It looks definitely gradable to me, pal. Strasburg, another fine specimen. Rolando Gomez and Ryan Dent. All right, bud. Get this up on YouTube for you.